Welcome to Grootersdorp Hospital. I'm Dr. Daemon McClunan, the creator of the OptiShunt and the founder of Liquid Medical. Let's go and fight some blindness. Welcome to our research lab. I'm an eye specialist doing my PhD in the treatment of glaucoma. Did you know that vision loss accounts for 32% of all disability in South Africa? Vision loss is also far more common in our rural communities and affects women predominantly. It's also a major cause of unemployment. Glaucoma is an eye disease which occurs due to pressure in the eye which damages the optic nerve. Glaucoma remains the leading cause of irreversible blindness worldwide. It affects around 76 million patients globally and 1 in 20 South Africans. So the major problem is that our existing glaucoma devices use a flawed concept of draining ocular fluid onto the surface of the eye. This space is not designed to contain ocular fluid, and an inflammatory response ensues. This results in the formation of a blister of fluid on the surface of the eye, something known as a bleb. Now the bleb is the bane of any ophthalmologist or patient's life. They have highly unpredictable outcomes, a high rate of failure, they're uncomfortable, and they pose a lifelong risk of infection. I'm starting a movement, #BlebsMustFall. So my PhD research is showing that the key to definitively preventing glaucoma is not just to drain the excess fluid out of the eye, but to eliminate the pressure differential which exists over the optic nerve, something known as translaminar pressure. The OptiShunt is the only device capable of doing this by creating a fluid communication with the front of the eye and the retrolaminar space. This means that no bleb will be formed, and because we're making use of a naturally occurring fluid reservoir, we expect immediate, predictable, lifelong, and highly cost-effective treatment of glaucoma. So #BlebsWillFall. The OptiShunt concept has already been awarded 2 design innovation seed funds, and leaders in the field of glaucoma are embracing it as a groundbreaking innovation with the potential to make a huge impact in fighting costs and preventing quality of life loss which occurs in patients with visual disability due to glaucoma.
The OptiShunt, with its unique mechanism of action, has potential to reduce the disability caused by glaucoma. I'm looking forward to using the OptiShunt in the future management of glaucoma patients.
Scientific review, artificial simulation, animal studies, and cadaver testing all indicate that the OptiShunt will be safe, reliable, and highly effective. Our Phase 1 clinical trials have been approved by the UCT Human Research Ethics Committee.
This eye got 7 operations, and I used 3 drops from glaucoma and still go blind.
With the help of your funding, we'll be able to complete our Phase 1 clinical trials and implement an ISO-accredited quality management system. These are the cornerstones of CE certification and commercialization. With your help, we can have this proudly South African innovation, the OptiShunt, ready to make a big impact in the fight against blindness, both in South Africa and globally.